Okay, class, so we just got back inside. Before you touch your paints or your water, your brushes, anything, you have a piece of paper in front of you. Grab your pencil, and we're going to do this together, okay? Step by step. So, your flower doesn't have to look exactly like mine. We all saw a whole bunch of different flowers, and we're going to pick our own, and we're going to make whatever we liked best. But I'm going to show you under the document camera. I saw a flower that looked like this. First, I'm going to draw the stem, and I'm going to draw the flower, okay? I saw a really pretty yellow flower, okay? So, after I've gotten approval from my teacher, everybody knows I don't have a teacher, but this is what you guys are going to do. You're going to draw your flower. I'm going to give you a couple minutes, and I'll tell you when the time is up from drawing your flower. But when you're done drawing your flower, boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and grab your paints. You can mix whatever colors you want in your dish. I have my dish right here, okay? So, I know I'm going to need green for the stem. I'm going to take, remember, a little bit of yellow and a little bit of blue. Very good job. Okay, so we're going to mix those together. So I have enough green. Don't use too much. You can always make more, but you can never make less, okay? So we're going to mix those together. Might need a little bit more yellow. Just mix it until you get it just right, okay, boys and girls? Well, we're going to have this really pretty green, and everybody's going to have to make green because everybody's going to use it on their stems. So, I have this really pretty green, okay? I'm going to go ahead and start painting my stem, okay? You don't have to press too hard. Just nice and light, okay? Nice and light. Okay, and then my flower was yellow. So I don't have to mix any more colors. But you guys might have seen a purple flower. So when you guys go ahead and mix your colors, do so very carefully, the same way we did the green. But for me, I don't need to mix the colors. And some of you might have seen a red flower, which means you wouldn't have had to mix the colors either. But I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys with my yellow. Take very little. To color your flower, okay? But you know what? I want to add a little bit of purple to my flower because I want to make it just a little bit special. So, I'm going to take a little bit of red, put it in my dish, a little bit of blue, put it in my dish. I got a really pretty purple that I'm just going to put here in the middle of my flower, okay? And it's going to take a while to dry, so you guys shouldn't pick yours up when you're done. But I just want to show you so you can see that's what mine looks like. Can someone tell me how many primary colors I used in my painting? I used one. I used yellow by itself. That's the one primary color I used by myself. But how many secondary colors did I use? That's right, I created two. I created purple and green, which we were talking about. So I want you guys to try and use both secondary and primary colors in your drawing, or in your painting, I mean, after you draw your flower. So right now I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to go ahead and draw what you saw. I'll walk around and work with you guys and make sure you don't have any more questions. And then after the 5 minutes are up, I'm going to go ahead and start letting you guys paint. You need to be very careful. Make sure you put your water cup way ahead of you, because if you have it over here while you're painting, it might be really easy to knock over. So we're going to leave it right here, okay? Does anybody have any questions? No? Okay, let's get started.